This video I'm going to unbox and take a look at the Accuteck W-8580-110 digital shipping scale. So after cutting the wrap off and opening the box, the first thing I will pull out is the USB cable that connects to the power supply. Then a couple of AAA batteries along with the LCD monitor that shows the weight of the packages, the other cable that connects to the scale and the power adapter. Finally, I will pull the scale platform out to remove the bubble wrap along with the other packaging materials and then peel the warning sticker to remove the cardboard off. The scale has two plastic pieces that flip up for when you're weighing cylindrical items such as a tube so they don't roll off, and it feels like it's made with durable materials. The display has a screen protector film that I will peel off right before inserting the four AAA batteries that were included in the box. And I will press the power button after to make sure the display works correctly before connecting it to the scale. But before I do that, I will unwrap the power supply cable and connect it, and then plug it into an outlet because I plan to power the scale without the batteries. Next, I will connect the display to the scale and push the power button to turn it on, and then I'll place a panel on it to check to make sure everything works correctly. And it appears that it does, so I'll take the batteries out and plug the display into the power supply so I can continue my exploration and testing. I'll place the panel I use for wider packages back on and press the hold button, which will lock in the current weight on the screen for when a larger package will block the screen and it needs to be removed to read it. Then I'll go over and press the 0 button, which will set the scale to 0 for when you have something on the scale that you don't want to include in the weights such as this panel I've been using. I use the scale regularly for over a year without any problems, so this is definitely an item I wouldn't hesitate to recommend to anyone. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.